In this video, we will explain how to import and edit models in a case. Once you have added a scene to your project, you can import your own models. Click on the Import button and enter the model name. Add the model source file and click on Confirm. Repeat the above steps to import more models. The left-hand side list shows the conversion progress of imported models. You can drag and drop the imported models into the scene. Double-clicking on the imported models in the list on the right-hand side will locate them automatically. You can set the precise coordinates for each individual model. When the original coordinates match, setting the same coordinates for the models will automatically align them. Once you have selected an imported model, you can use the model editing function. The function supports model movement, rotation, scaling, and quick landing. For models in RVT format, you can directly view their component information. Clicking on the component list of a model on the right-hand side will automatically highlight the corresponding components in the scene. You can also view the component details. By expanding the official model list on the left-hand side, you can access many types of models. You can drag and drop these models into the scene and adjust their parameters precisely. You can also place these models in the scene by clicking repeatedly, making it easy for users to add vegetation, buildings, and other models quickly to create a complete scene. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.